Hi, I am Patricia Bubner, the CEO and co-founder of Orbillion Bio, and we make cultivated meat possible. Today, I would like to invite you to join us in creating a future of food that is more sustainable. As a scientist and engineer, I was always passionate about creating food, nutritious food, using technology. Did you know that over 95% of people eat meat? And it's 350 million tons of meat that are consumed every year. This is not sustainable. The way we produce meat, we exploit the environment and are putting the health of current and future generations at risk. Luckily, there is a solution. Cultivated meat is a way to produce meat similarly to brewing beer. And in that process, compared to traditionally producing meat, we use 95% less land and water and also reduce the greenhouse gas emissions by 95%. There are no antibiotics and hormones used and zero animals harmed. So why, you may wonder, are not more cultivated meat products currently available in the market, even though the technology has been around for several years? Well, the industry has some severe bottlenecks, and the most important one of it is that cell lines of different animals and breeds that we eat are not widely available. That's also why most of the cultivated meat companies that you will encounter have only one product that they offer. Orbillion Bio is uniquely positioned to solve this. Just think of it, there are over 1.5 billion cows out there. We have over 7,000 breeds of chickens and pigs and cows out there, and even one animal like a cow has over 100 trillion cells. So how would you possibly find the right cell that's not only nutritious and tasty, but also grows well in culture? At Orbillion Bio, we find the needle in the cow stack. Using our proprietary Hyperplex high-throughput screening technology, we can look at a lot of cells and evaluate the ones that are better than others. So if there's a company that will find a cell line that's, let's say, faster in doubling time, or has a better proliferation, or just grows better in culture, it's us. In that way, we will enable the entire cultivated meat space, as well as open it up for new players to come in. And if there is one thing that Orbillion Bio will do is generate early revenue from early customers through cell line licensing deals, and during that time keep on optimizing the cell lines that we have. Since we were founded last year, we already gained significant traction. We are part of UC Berkeley's Skydex incubator program. We're accepted to both BIV and Brinc Accelerator programs and have grown our team, as well as established unique collaborations with farmers that we can source the best cell lines from. Our team that we have grown will enable us to clear the milestones in the next 2 years. We will source cell lines, generate proof of concepts, and also build our machine learning algorithms to further accelerate our high throughput platform. This will enable us to license out cell lines to early customers, and within 24 months we will have a significant repertoire of both cell lines and customers. The team at Orbillion Bio is really what makes us special. I am a chemical engineer with a PhD and a postdoc from UC Berkeley. That's also where I met Gabriel, who has over 10 years of experience in synthetic biology, in grantsmanship, and also business development. After my postdoc, I joined biopharma, and that's where I worked closely with Sameth on multiple projects. Sameth has a Master's of Business and Science from the Keck Graduate Institute and is an expert both in business development and product development, but also media development and large-scale bioprocessing. He also had his own company before. Our advisory board, that we are super happy that they are working with us, are experts with complementary expertise. They know everything about how to make marbled meat. They're experts in synthetic biology and in the scale-up of bioprocesses. We are asking for $1 million in safe notes to reach these next milestones, growing our scientific team build more IP both in cell line engineering and in scale-up, and also gain early customers that we can sell the cell lines to that we're sourcing. Thank you so much for your attention. I can't wait to meet you and talk more about Orbillion Bio with you and how we can make a sustainable future of food together.